Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $100 an hour just watching YouTube videos. And this is available worldwide. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It's really going to help out my channel. It's going to help out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end. Do not skip at all, because it's a code word that's going to pop up somewhere in this video. And once you see that code word, type it down in your comments below. Because once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I'm going to pick a comment and you could be the lucky winner that has the code word in your comment. So please watch out for the code word that's going to pop up somewhere in this video. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this website and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, family. Okay, guys, I'm at the first website. I'm going to show you two websites. So the name of this website is Bucks Inside. So on here, you're going to get paid every 10 seconds. So you're going to get paid every 10 seconds just browsing advertisers' websites, guys. And you'll be able to cash out instantly. And check this out, guys. You can cash out with only $2. So all you have to do is make $2, you can cash out right away. Now, as a member, guys, all you're going to do is simply earn money just by viewing advertisements that this website displays. And you're going to need to have PayPal, guys. Now, if you have Pazer or ADV Cash or BitGo, you can go ahead and cash out that way. But I suggest you get PayPal because you get the money real fast and it's available worldwide. Now, it's not much else I'm going to say about this website, guys, because this is not even the best website to make money watching videos. I'm going to show you the next website coming up. That website, really, guys, it's going to blow you away how much money you can make on that website. So, but if you want to go ahead and start on this website, all you got to do is go to bucksinside.com, hit this register button right here. And as you can see there, it's real simple to sign up. Don't take but a minute or two. And then you're good to go. So guys, to go ahead and get started on this, again, go to bucksinside.com. Now let me go to the second website. Okay guys, I'm at the second website, and the name of this website is Fusion Cash. So on this website, you're going to be watching videos. But not only that, guys, you can sign up and make money like this one right here. You're going to get paid $5 just to sign up right here. And also, guys, they have paid to click. And as you see right here, this is where you go for videos. You can do tasks right here, make money with mobile apps. make money with games, and make money by referring friends. So, I mean, this is very, very lucrative website, guys. You can make money all different type of ways. Now, what I want to do is show you inside the account because I want to show you the videos. So let me go ahead and log in right now. Okay, guys, I have logged into my account. And what I'm going to do is click on here where it says videos. So here are the videos you're going to be watching. So this right here, this is a video and you're going to earn 3 cents. Now guys, don't get too discouraged now. 3 cents, I know it's not that much, but it's going to add up. And all you have to do, guys, click on the video and leave it running in the background. And then you can open up another window and click on another video. Now, as I said before, you're not going to be making that much from one video, but if you look at several of them, it's going to add up, guys. It's going to add up. So as you can see, they all like 1 or 2 to 3 cents. When you look at these videos, it don't take that long to watch it. All right, I went ahead and clicked on mobile apps. And as you can see here, you get 50 cents, guys, just for checking out this app. And sometimes they have maybe 1 or 2 or maybe more here that you can check out as far as apps. And it just all depends, guys. I just have one right here you can check out for right now. And then here's the other way you can make money, guys. You can make a lot of money doing it this way. Referring friends. So I'm going to click on that. And see, you get that special link. Here's a short version of the link. And then you just share it on social media, guys. So look, you can earn $1 when a referral confirms this email, $2 when they complete a paid to sign up offer, then $5 each time they are approved for cash out. Guys, you can easily make $100 an hour doing this, guys. So that's it, guys. That's all I'm gonna say about this website. So if you're ready to go ahead and get started and make this money from this website, go to fusioncash.net. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. It helped me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about either one of these websites. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss and become financially free. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, one more thing I want to do before I end this video. I want to do a shout out, and the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and I flash it on the screen, and that's the way I give shout outs. So today's shout out goes to this person. Thank you for your comment. Hope you're a subscriber, and please keep watching all my videos. Keep hitting that like button and sharing my videos. Help me get to 7,000 subscribers. I'm sorry. Help us, this channel, the Grind family, get us to 7,000 subscribers. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks again from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate you guys always checking out my videos. I really do appreciate it. And I hope I'm bringing some value to you guys. Please let me know in the comments below if I'm bringing some value to you guys. All right, that's it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos. Until my next one come out. Peace, and always have a prosperous day.